Hi, welcome once again. This video we will talk about the vertex printing. What is the vertex printing and how we can use it. In this example you can see there is a rock and I can print a rock texture on it. It is basically a grassy. I am getting it as a rock. Okay, now let me add some grass texture. So this is what is basically the vertex printing. So you can simply drag and you can print whatever the texture, color or the mixture of both can be done. Please like this video if you find it informative and helpful. And yes, subscribe to our channel for more updates. Fine. So let's recreate it. Again, to recreate, right click on the material and let me name it as vertex print. Okay, vertex P. Now let me double click it, open the editor. So right click and look for vertex color. So here it is, vertex color. Now in the vertex color, let us understand how we can control. Simply wire it to base color and we will see how does it work. Okay, just rearranging the windows. Okay, apply this onto this mesh. Okay, now what you have seen in the vertex printing, it is already white, so it is also white. Now let me get into the paint mode. Go to the paint mode, select the paint, and what you can see, the size, brush strength, fall off, all those stuff. Now go down. Okay, before that let me increase the size of the strength for more visibility and go down to the paint color. Now this color is white and I'm painting it as white, so nothing is happening. However, the moment I press shift and paint, it is coming as a black. So that's the erase color. Quite a simple. Again, you can paint the white, simply drag and you can paint it. So it's quite simple. And that's what the vertex printing is. Now we have, you can see in the paint color. Okay, yes, it is a white. Now you can actually change. So let me get some red color out here. So here it is red. If I want to change the color, so let me have some green. So here is the green. So whatever we have painted, it remains there. And now blue. So here we can simply do the blue painting. So you can control the color from here. Okay, now in the editor let me add the color and let's see how we can control it. So 3 vector and click. So here we are, let me add. Okay, so I need lerp also. Let me change the color, let me make it red. Okay, I think let me make it absolutely red. It is 0 and this is also 0. So it will be absolutely red. Now what we want is a lerp. So why lerp? Because we are giving two informations. So linear interpolate, connect this to a channel and vertex color to alpha and save it. Now you can simply have that white whatever earlier we have. Now you would be wondering then what is the red. Now here the red is connected to A, which will come only if you press shift. So here it is the red. So vertex normal is taking up that alpha channel and red is taking up the A, which will only come if you press shift. You can still control from here and again let me erase it and make it white, whatever is possible. Let me choose another color which we will connect it to B. So here it is B, and let me make it blue. Absolute bit, maybe a bit dark will do. Okay. So save it. So now this is a blue thing. So let me make it absolutely blue, whatever the other colors are. Okay. Now shift and paint, it is coming as the red. Now whatever the color or the texture, whatever you want to paint or repaint, it all depends where you have added, whether to A or whether to B. So quite a simple. Now let me add some texture to it. Instead of colors, let me add some texture to it. Yes. So we need to delete one color. So let me delete this. And I will have a sort of texture sample. And I will connect that to the A. Yeah, in the texture, let me have some sort of bricks. Okay, so here we are, and save it. So what we can see, yes, now simply painting, nothing will happen, but the moment you press shift, that brick is coming up. So brick texture is coming up. You can simply paint again. Last time what we have seen, two different colors. Now we can see one color and one texture. Quite a simple. And again, if you want to repaint it, you can repaint it. Okay. Now let me add one more texture. So let me delete this blue one. So here is another texture, and let me add some sort of grass out here. Let me search on the grass. Okay, and save it. So you can see instead of blue, it has all become the grass. And again on the grass, you can print those bricks. Quite a simple, no complications at all. And again, you want to repaint grass, you can do it. So you can, get into the other side of this sphere also, and you can paint that grass. Okay. So now these are like examples, and why don't we use some sort of realistic example where we can see how this vertex printing can be done. So let us take an example of rock, which is one side is like a stone, and the other side, maybe in the some side, it is grassy, a sort of moss. Okay, so let me take it to so here is the rock, which is more realistic, and let me apply that vertex print material onto it. So here it is, and I can simply paint brick over here. Although this brick is not looking as realistic, but still the whole idea is that vertex printing can be done just by dragging. So let me repaint the grass, and instead of brick, let me have some rock texture so that it looks bit realistic. So here it is the complete done. And let me go back to my starter content where I have some rock texture. So here is the rock diffused material, diffused map. So you can use normal map also, so that is not an issue. So save it out here. And here it is, the rock, that is what we were saying. So that's it. And this is all about the vertex painting. And you can use it on the static mesh or any other material or any other mesh. So you can use it anywhere. You can do the combinations for more realistic images. So quite a simple video. That's it for this video. Thanks a lot.